I'm happy to be back in Utrecht at the headquarters of VodafoneZiggo. And although this is common territory for me, today is a special day. I will meet up with Candice Dillon to talk about her performance on Transformational Leadership Europe.
I want to be part of transformational leadership because I think that leaders have to have the ability to lead their organizations through transformation today. It's no longer an optional skill or a skill that a couple of leaders have. I believe that the whole of the leadership team has to be able to lead the organization through large-scale changes and transformation. And transformation is not only about big systematic changes. It's also about constantly adapting the organization in culture, in behavior, in doing, in the way that we do in line with the strategy that you've set out for yourselves. So I'm looking forward to sharing some of my learnings and what I've seen, as well as really learning from a great group of peers. I hope to bring the audience some reflections on transformation within the unit that you're responsible for, and how that should fit into the greater transformation of an organization. How it is important that the multidisciplinary aspect and what that asks for, because we say it easily, right? We go, hey, of course we work in multidisciplinary teams, but if we as leaders are not acting in a multidisciplinary way and we're not working in multidisciplinary teams, then it's very difficult to truly implement a multidisciplinary way of working, of thinking, of doing. So I think that for me is absolutely essential, as well as some reflections on, I think it is so important as leaders that we got here because we bring expertise, right? And people often look at us for that expertise. But it is also important to sometimes be able to pull back into a beginner's mindset. You don't always need to be the master. Sometimes it is better to be the beginner because you can look at things in a very, very new and innovative way. So how do you find that balance of being strong in your expertise, but also being okay with going back to being a beginner or having a beginner's mindset? And I really look forward to hearing from and learning from my peers as well, and listening to their stories.